This is a fantastic looking Defender 110. Now, not only does it have the exterior look, it's also got the specification to back it up. It's a 25 registration D250 X-Dynamic HSE in silicon silver, a colour that we actually don't see very often. But when you pack that with an exterior styling pack, wide arches, pod lights, black pack, you get yourself a great looking car. It's only done 14,000 miles, 25 registration, making it a 25 model year. So it had the new wireless charger in position and a few other interior features as well. Cracking car. On top of the standard features, you've obviously got the exterior styling. It's then got features like air suspension, and you have a massive amount of spec on the HSE, which we'll cover in a second. The colour for me is the initial attraction because it's not just a boring silver, it's a beautiful colour. Silicon silver, almost a bit of a goldy kind of tinge to it really. Bonnet decals, extended black pack including the bonnet inserts, then wide arches also in gloss black. 20-inch wheels, again gloss black, and then you've got the nice red brake calipers just to break up that exterior styling. Pod lights are functional, and I'll show you them in a second. 110s, we sell loads of them for several reasons. The main thing is that people want that good looking, stylish car, but then they are incredibly practical. Look at the size of leg space in the back. You've then got the massive boot space. This car will have sliding sunroof, so I'll show you that in a second. And the reason we emphasise the sliding sunroof is Land Rover on some cars only has a fixed sunroof. Still a nice feature, but if you could get the sliding, you would want it. Rear spoiler, tinted rear lights, and then the air suspension can also be controlled from the front panel as well. So if you are driving somewhere it's a little bit more rural, then it comes in handy. But if you've ever had air suspension on a Defender or any other car, you'll know that it does massively improve the daily driving. Wind deflectors and other little features, fixed side steps, front and rear mud flaps. So it's got literally everything that you would want. But then from the HSE, it looks after pretty much everything else. Adaptive cruise, heated wheel, heated seats, cooled seats, the larger media screen, because that didn't get introduced till later down the line, but it becomes standard on the HSE. It's literally just done over 14,000 miles. Get that visor open to while we talk through this. Larger media screen has navigation, media, telephone, cameras, rear view, air view, because sometimes when we have customers who are stepping into Defenders, they think they're a big car, but with all these systems, it makes it dead straightforward to drive. Heated seats, cooled seats, the air suspension, which I mentioned earlier, just down here. Heated windscreen we often overlook, but great on a cold morning. That shaves a good 10 minutes off any time. Wireless charger they introduced on the 25 model year, so that just slides forward now. And then let's get that roof open. So 25 registration, it's only done 14,000 miles. Meridian surround opposed to standard Meridian. So it's got literally everything you could want. Exterior styling, low mileage, all the extra spec. It's just a fantastic car. Air suspension's a big one on top of the HSE because a lot of people will assume it comes standard. It does not. Cracking looking car, going live, and whenever we get something in that's a little bit different, they don't last long because that's what people are looking for. So if you're interested, give me a call on my mobile number at the end of the video or in the description. My name is Paddy and I look forward to speaking to you.